Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is fuzzy logic in the reason for system categories. We'll see one with a simple program and also an explanation. What is the first thing we'll see? First thing we'll see is fuzzy logic. So I have a program here. It's basically a temperature thing. Now we're calculating the comfort level. It's comfortable, no adjustment. Else, the temperature, if the comfort level is less than 0.5, then you have to wear the clothes. Now, we are giving the fuzzy logic here. What exactly is the fuzzy logic? Go on the top, we'll see the program first. So we have created a method called is cold. If it is cold, what we will do? If the temperature is less than 15 degrees, so return 1. So the comfort level what we gave here, then what we are defining, the comfort level greater than 0.5. Return 1, it is fully cold. Else, if the temperature is less than equal to 20 minus temperature by divided by gradually decreased coldness. So we are saying okay, less than equal to 20, but it is greater than 15 usually, but less than equal to 20. Return like 20 minus whatever the temperature is. Let's say the temperature is 15. So 5 by 5, it should return 1. The temperature is less than, let's say, 16 degrees. Okay. So 20 minus 16, how much it is? Here I am calculating. 20 minus 16, how much it is? 4. 4 by 5, it's 0.8, right? It's not returning 1. Else, if it is not cold, return 0.0. Now, what is comfortable level? Okay, we are writing this to make sure to tell agent that what is the cold temperature, whether you have to wear warm clothes only. The temperature is greater than 20 and less than 25. So we have processed this. Now we are in the comfort levels. So return 1 perfectly comfortable. Don't have to wear warm clothes. Else if temperature is greater than 18 and temperature is less than 28. So then we are writing the minimum of this divided by 5, comma 28 divided by 5, and we are trying to detect the minimum value of that. Next, else if it is not matching, it is not comfortable. We can see a few scenarios with the temperature what we have given. So temperature we gave it as 17 degrees. Get degree of coldness. Let's say, what is the cold degree? So if it is 17 degrees, is cold of 17, what it will be? 17, this one, right? It will be 20 minus 17 is 3 by 5. What is 3 by 5? It is somewhere around 0.6, right? It will return 0.6 here. Now, it will print the temperature. It will, okay. We'll see, have to see the comfort degree also. No, the cold is 0.6. It will return 0.6 now. What is the temperature? 17. So it will be here in this category. Okay. Now, what is the comfort degree we're typing? If the comfort degree is greater than 0.5, it's comfortable, no need for adjustment. If the temperature is less than that, it is bit cold, consider wearing warmer clothes. So let us write Python fuzzy logic .py. So temperature is 70 degrees, as I told you. So coldness is 0.6, comfort is 0.0. It is bit cold, consider warm clothes. Okay. So let us understand the fuzzy logic. What is the regular logic? We are taking an example. There are things either black or white, hot or cold, on or off. They are very clear. So let's say what is black? Let's say black is 0, white 0 and 1. What is hot and cold? Always opposite. They are the binary value. What is off and on? It is very clear cut, right? This is the regular logic what we get. What is the fuzzy logic? Things can be in between. Now, you saw an example, right? So we have temperature 17 degrees or 20 degrees. Should we wear warmer clothes? There is a comfort level also we have created, or is cold also we have created. So things can be between. A sweatshirt might be kind of warm or not very cold. It allows the shades of gray, not just black and white. Usually it can be between 0 and 1. So 0, let's say it's black, 1, let's say it's white. It is just exact opposite. So fuzzy logic comes in between that logically. So the 0 means it doesn't belong to all. 1 means it completely it belongs to all, right? For example, let us take an example. Already we have seen a program, so understand this. Temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. We are in the program, it is 70 degrees Celsius, right? In the regular logic, it is either cold or not. It can be cold or not cold. In fuzzy logic, it might be 0.8 for cold and 0.2 for not cold. So this is the logic we are giving, but it is different the program. Don't confuse on that. So this allows more realistic way of reasoning in situations where things aren't perfectly clear cut. Example, a fuzzy logic could be used to control a thermostat that adjusts the temperature based on the cold or warm in the room, taking into account the personal changes and preferences. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.